Structural health monitoring system is an emerging technology which is used for the maintenance and inspection of machines as well as engineering structures. They are used for the continuous monitoring of defects in engineering structures that are caused by corrosion, fatigue, fracture, as well as wear. They leverage on the advanced sensors, structural predictive models, as well as data analytics to perform real-time monitoring of defects in engineering structures. Structural health monitoring system can be applied in civil infrastructures such as bridges, dams, buildings, as well as offshore platforms. They can also be applied in aerospace structures such as spacecrafts, as well as aircraft structures. And the areas in the aircraft structures where structural health monitoring systems are applied are those areas which are prone to defect formations, such as the fuselage, the landing gears, the engine, as well as the wings. In everything that we do, safety is paramount. Therefore, structural health monitoring system ensures the safety of aircraft structures by allowing for early detection of aircrafts, thereby preventing catastrophic failures. Secondly, structural health monitoring system reduces downtime that occurs due to grounding of the aircraft. In the initial setup of structural health monitoring system are very expensive and can be very complex. Therefore, careful planning is required during installation. And secondly, managing and analyzing huge data generated by a structural health monitoring system can be very challenging due to its large volume. And thirdly, environmental conditions such as temperature changes and humidity can affect the accuracy and performance of the sensors involved. NASENI is currently carrying out research using artificial intelligence, machine learning tools to enhance the management and analysis of the huge data generated by structural health monitoring systems. This will ensure that accurate predictive models that are required for efficient monitoring of defects in engineering structures are being developed.